I have an acne-prone skin and ang dami kong pinagdaanan bago ma-achieve yung ganitong face. And sobrang takot ako na gumamit na ng foundation, skin tint, and concealer sa aking face. But recently, na-discover ko tong Dazzle Me Acne Armor Cover and Correct Skin Tint. By the way, I'm in the shade C05 Medium Pink. It has SPF 35 PA++. It is non-comedogenic, dermatology tested, and for all skin types. Nagtatagal siya guys up to 12 hours. Meron siyang second skin effect and acne prone friendly. Ayun yung pinaka the best na nagagawa nito guys. It is acne prone friendly. This is with and this is without. As you can see, it's very natural on the face. And guys, natakpan niya yung mga redness ko, na-even niya yung skin tone ko. It has a medium coverage and sobrang lightweight niya lang sa face.